Good day everyone, I'm Jenny Rotagales and for today's video I'm going to answer the question about what is your personal stand on ethics and why do you think ethics is important in your daily life as a student. So for me, ethics is about knowing what is right and what is wrong. It's about choosing the right thing even when it's hard. My personal stand on ethics is that I try to be honest, try to be fair, and try to be in a responsible everything I can do. Being ethical is not just about following rules, but it's also about good choices that help me and the people around me. As a student, ethics is very important in our life. For example, we are doing our homeworks, our schoolworks, we always make sure that we don't copy it from another people or from our classmates, and also doing our own work allow us to learn and improve our skills. It may take more time and effort, but it is the right thing to do. Ethics also teach me to respect my teachers and classmates. Being polite, listening carefully, and helping others when I can create a positive environment when everyone can feel safe and happy to learn. Ethics also help us when I face difficult choice sometimes. It is tempting to take shortcuts like skipping homeworks or lying about something or avoid trouble. But ethics reminds me of the consequence of those actions. It helped me to think about how my decision affects not only myself but also the people around me. By making the right choice, even when it's hard, I feel proud of myself and build a trust with others. Moreover, ethics is not just about schoolwork, it's also about small actions such as helping classmates and understand the lessons, and also being kind. When I make a mistake or being kind to others without expecting anything in return, that is all part of practicing ethics. These small acts of kindness creates positive community and show that care about others. In short, ethics is like a guide for life. It reminds me to always do the right thing, respect others, and take responsibility for my actions. As a student, ethics is very important because it shapes how I learn and how I interact with people and how I prepare for my future. By practicing ethics every day, I believe I can become not only a better student but also a better person who contribute positively in the society. Thank you.